Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, the wonderful adornments of the leaders of the worlds. Sound of skillful meditation knows the meaning of this. The infinite scenes of the Buddha's miraculous displays appear in all places in a single instant, great techniques for conquering spirits and attaining enlightenment. This is the liberation of adorning sounds. Sustained by awesome power, able to explain and to demonstrate the deeds of spiritual powers of the Buddhas, purifying all according to their faculties, this is the liberation door of light sound. The Buddha's wisdom is boundless. It has no equal in the world. It has no attachment. Compassionately responding to beings, it manifests everywhere. Great fame has realized this path. The Buddha in the past cultivated enlightening practices, made offerings to all the Buddhas of the 10 directions. The vows made in the presence of each Buddha, supreme light hears and greatly rejoices. Furthermore, the Brahma king Shikin found the door of liberation abiding in all sights of enlightenment everywhere, and preaching the truth while being pure and free of attachments in all actions. Brahma king, light of wisdom, found the door of liberation inducing all sentient beings to enter meditative absorption and stay there. Brahma king, radiance of beneficent wisdom, found the door of liberation entering everywhere into all inconceivable truths. Brahma king, sound of ubiquitous clouds, found the door of liberation entering into the ocean of all utterances of the Buddhas. Brahma king, independent observer of the sounds and speech of the worlds, found the door of liberation of ability to remember all the techniques used by enlightening beings in teaching all sentient creatures. Brahma king, eyes of still light, found the door of liberation, showing the individual differences in characteristics of results of actions of all beings. Brahma king, all-pervading light, found the door of liberation of appearing before all sentient beings to guide them according to their various types. Brahma king, sound of magical displays, found the door of liberation, dwelling in the realm of tranquil and serene action of the pure aspect of all things. Brahma king, eyes of shining light, found the door of liberation, of always diligently appearing with no attachments, no boundaries, and no dependence in the midst of all existence.